If your headphones suddenly have no sound, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy tips to get your headphones working again. First, check that the headphones are properly plugged into the headphone jack. Make sure the plug is fully inserted and secure. Try plugging the headphones into another device to test if the issue is with the headphones or the device. If the headphones work on another device, the issue may be with your PC's audio settings. On Windows, go to Sound Settings. To do this, right-click on the speaker icon, located at the lower right, and then select Open Sound Settings. Select the headphones as the output device. Also check the volume levels in your computer's volume control panel. Make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Try increasing the volume to maximum. If your headphones have a volume control, make sure that is also turned up. Turn the volume up on both your computer and the headphone volume controls. Check for debris buildup in the headphone jack. Use compressed air to spray out any dust or lint. Just be careful not to damage the port. Finally, your headphones may need to be replaced if they still don't work on multiple devices. Look for loose wiring or damage to the headphones. Buying a new headset may be needed. Following these tips should help get sound back in your headphones. Let me know in the comments if you need any clarification on the steps.